Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix dynamic block attributes not visible in AutoCAD. If you're working with dynamic blocks that contain attributes such as room names, part numbers, equipment tags, or title block information, you may encounter a situation where the block inserts correctly, but the attribute text is nowhere to be found. The block geometry appears normally, but the attribute values are missing, making it difficult to identify or edit important information. This issue is quite common, especially when working with blocks downloaded from external sources, or when editing blocks for the first time. Fortunately, there are several simple checks you can perform to make the attributes visible again. The first thing to check is whether attributes are currently being displayed in the drawing. AutoCAD controls attribute visibility through a system variable called attDisplay. Type attDisplay into the command line and press Enter. AutoCAD will prompt you to enter a value. Type normal and press Enter. This tells AutoCAD to display attributes according to their assigned visibility settings. If the attributes still do not appear, type attynch into the command line and press Enter. Then select the block. This command synchronizes all existing block references with the current block definition. If attributes were recently added or modified, they may not appear correctly until synchronization is performed. Next, open the block editor by typing bEdit and pressing Enter. Select the affected block and click OK. Inside the block editor, locate the attribute definitions. Attributes are typically displayed as text labels with tags and prompts attached to them. Select an attribute and open the Properties palette by pressing Ctrl+1. Review the visibility setting. If the attribute is set to invisible, it will not display when the block is inserted. Change the setting to No if you want the attribute to be visible in the drawing. You should also check whether the attribute is located on a hidden or frozen layer. If the layer containing the attribute is turned off, frozen, or not plotting, the text may appear to be missing even though the attribute still exists. Turn the layer on and verify that it is unlocked. Another possible cause involves annotation scaling. If the attribute is annotative and the current annotation scale does not match the drawing scale, the text may disappear from view. Select the attribute and check its annotative property in the Properties palette. Adding the correct annotation scale often resolves this issue. If the attribute exists but appears extremely small, use the Zoom command and zoom into the block. Sometimes incorrect text height settings cause the attribute to become nearly invisible. After making any corrections, save the block and close the block editor. Run the attynch command one more time and test the block by inserting a fresh copy into the drawing. The attributes should now display correctly and be available for editing. Dynamic block attributes are essential for storing intelligent information inside your drawings. By checking display settings, synchronizing attributes, reviewing visibility options, and verifying layers and annotation scales, you can quickly restore missing attribute text and keep your blocks functioning properly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more AutoCAD tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.